SAU Tech in Camden offers Arkansas's only welding finishing school, the Welding Academy of South Arkansas. The academy offers instruction by National Society certified instructors. Graduates of the 9-month program are hired with pay starting from $25 to $50 per hour. And the academy has a day and an evening program. And it's conveniently located in Magnolia, Arkansas. Make that call today to find out more. 870-234-7234 or visit our website at sautech.edu.